YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am gonna try to do my own nails. Yeah, with a dip powder nail kit. Yes, and you guys are gonna come along with me and watch me do it. I went ahead and ordered a dip powder nail kit from AZUREBEAUTY. You guys, this kit has so many good reviews on it, so I said I wanted to try it out for myself and see if it's true how good this dip powder kit set is. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's all inside. Oh my god, is it packed full, all the way packed full. Okay, let's see what's all in it. We have a bunch of nail stuff in here. We'll open this up and see what's all inside. I did get the kit that has the drill. I believe this is the drill, so that's in here. And it also comes with 24 dip powder colors, you guys. I'm super excited. And we have the top coat and then the brush saver. And then here are all your different colors. And then I believe these are some kind of napkins. Cute, and they're pink. And then here are more colors. And then in this, we have the base coat and the activator. This is the base coat and then the activator. And they're numbered, so it's easy to follow when doing your nails. So I'm gonna open up this package to see what's all inside here. Okay, so we have one nail file. We have 2 additional brushes. And in here, we also have, oh my god, that's so cool. If you could see, I'll open it. These are to, I think this is to get like some of the powder out of your cuticle. I have not done this yet, so you guys have to excuse me. But yeah, and I love that they're like plastic, so they're reusable. And look guys, they have sparkles on them. How stinking cute is that? This is like such a nice set already, like, and I'm not even through. You have your cuticle balm, that's what I call it, but it's cuticle oil, and it's pink. You have your dip powder set. So I think I've seen people have the powder here, or no, you put your finger here, and then I've seen people have their finger and then take a scoop of the powder and pour it. So I think that's what this is, and that is so cool, you guys. I love it. And then you have this little fancy, brush to brush off the excess dip powder. How cute, you guys. I love that. And the brush itself is pink and it's so soft too. That's so nice. That's awesome. And then we have your cuticle tool to push your cuticles back and clean up around those edges. Very nice. And then we have instructions. We have a bunch of instructions here that we will be reading. Here is the drill. How cute, and it's pink and it looks like it's digital. Love it. Can't wait to use it. And then here are your drill heads. And I forget what these are called up here. It's like those sander things. So there's those, and then you have some more drill heads and a whole bunch of these little sander things. And here's another one. And this is the charger that comes with it. And then we also have the instructions as well, of course. So that is everything that comes in this nail kit. Oh my god, it is packed full. Honestly, if you guys are wanting to get your loved one or whoever in your family a set, you guys, like, this comes with literally everything as like a starter kit. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just start. I'm really scared because this is a lot of stuff to just learn, but let's go do our nails.